Welcome, Mr. Anand.
Namaskar.
Mr. Anand, how was your experience in this industry?
My experience in the boiler industry has been incredibly fulfilling and enriching. I began my career in the early 90s and since then I have dedicated myself entirely to this field. It's been a journey of continuous learning and growth, and I find immense satisfaction in the work I do. Over the years, I have developed a deep passion for boilers and turbines, so much so that people affectionately refer to me as boiler and turbine wala. This is industry has not only shaped my professional life but has also become a significant part of my identity. It's fascinating to see how the industry has evolved over time, adapting to changing fuel sources and environmental concerns.
You have been in this industry for a while now. What changes have you seen in the past and in recent times?
Certainly, over my career in boiler industry, I have seen shifts from fossil fuels to biomass like rice husk and bagasse due to rising cost of. By 2004, we introduced petcoke as fuel, which later faced bans in states like Rajasthan, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh by mid 2016 due to environmental concerns. Since then, we have adopted multi-fuel boilers that uses diverse biomass sources like mustard husk, parali, crane trash, and briquettes. This shift supports sustainability with IBL installed over 2000 such boilers in North India.
Your organization basically also manufactures steam turbines. When and why was this implemented?
Yes, we have been manufacturing steam turbines for the past 24 years. Our turbine division was established in 2001. The decision to start manufacturing turbines was rooted in our heritage. Even before the formation of industrial boilers, our ancestors were approved vendors for BHEL and other large industries involved in installing large thermal power plants. By 1998, India faced a significant power shortage, and with rising electricity costs, we saw an opportunity to enter the market in 2001. We launched our first turbine, offering industries a solution for cogeneration through combined heat and power systems.
Mr. Anand, how did you manage to establish yourself in the market when there were already other way older and bigger turbine manufacturers already present?
Entering a market dominated by established turbine manufacturers was challenging. We focused on empowering MSME with cost effective integrated boiler and turbine solutions. Now we offer a range of turbines including back pressure and condensing models, serving various industries globally. Our manufacturing capabilities ranging from 100 kilowatt to 25 megawatt. Inspired by Churchill's words, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. We strive for excellence and growth.
Are you working on any waste to energy solutions?
Yes, we focus on anticipating future needs and providing innovative solutions. Our waste to energy plants in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat are crucial for sustainable resource management. Operating on RDF, these plants efficiently convert waste into energy, reducing landfill use and environmental impact. Embracing innovation and sustainability, IBL addresses future challenges proactively. With 50 years of expertise, IBL is well positioned to lead the world transition to cleaner energy sources, promoting a circular economy.
What is the biggest challenge in this industry?
In boiler and turbine industry, aligning with India's push for a cleaner environment and sustainability is a pressing challenge. As Roosevelt said, far and away the best prize that life offers is the chance to work hard at work worth doing. This reflects our approach at IBL. We see the transition to cleaner technologies as an opportunity to innovate and lead. We are investing in R&D to enhance energy efficiency, reduce emissions, and explore renewable energy sources. Our commitment to excellence and sustainability drives us to continuously evolve, ensuring we play a key role in shaping a greener future for India and global sustainability efforts.
Lastly, Mr. Anand, what are the core values of the IBL Group?
IPL Group maintains forward momentum through our unwavering commitment to the integrity and responsibility. We believe honesty is the best policy and uphold every promise with utmost seriousness. Guided by the principles of good thoughts, good words, good deeds, we ensure transparency, reliability, and ethical conduct in all our operations. Our growth is about nurturing enduring relationships based on trust and mutual respect. Upholding these principles paves the way for sustained success and positive impact. As we continue our journey, IBL remains dedicated to these core values.
Thank you, Mr. Anand.
We are the only company that manufactures both steam boilers and steam turbines, combining efficiency with cutting-edge technology to meet the ever-growing demands of the industry.